The ratio of the acceleration for a solid sphere, mass m and radius r, rolling down an incline of angle q without slipping and slipping down the incline without rolling is. Okay, we need to find the ratio of the acceleration of the spheres here with slipping out without slipping. That means if I'm all right, so we can write the acceleration, that is a1 is equal to g into sine theta divided by 1 plus I divided by mr square, and a1 is equal to g into sine theta divided by 1 plus 2 divided by 5 into mr square, which is equal to 5 by 7 g times sine theta. Then a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7 is the ratio. Then option A is the right answer.